McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share.
McBrown's kitchen, and down the bed. DJ, yet to can I was your for ya bow ho, baby. I will be another so fabricia chiao. Ya the can Edru one no, baby. I'll share free, we share free Ghana so ya know why anything ya chiao. McBrown's kitchen near Edianepa day. I was your for. I feel no corner ni mu anisa 2023 erade yeda wasesa wo de year call February na yesimu na bosomi a yesimu. It's all about love and nothing na hu mi a what I say Madam Catherine matade imagine long ready ehemi inti enne kwasi a woni mi ehia o UTV ana baby a wo hwe me free bia no me chiao me da se sa oguso a hwe McBrown's kitchen Mr. Mamena high sense for us say high sense TV about them are sleek high sense fridge enye so nim say Valentine we nim here inti no you obi adoya kai so the high sense ebeka ho Sarah na obetim di adoye kro no aye nsuo ana Puma drinks ana kasapra drinks nyina storm I mean what I say o share fridge mu a Puma any awake any shemwa ya de chili pepper yegusua ekra boshenimu awake egusua eboa kolebu into kosua to awake but modia say tasty tom dia unjai dida because unjai di pe wejai wa ho ni dro bi a we de wo kate afri waduane die mu eno ti unto stew won kwan enkwan nyina tasty tom etumi ye now say twist no e say eto nyina witimi tasty tom fra e ma ne ye de son kokra me pa chop tasty tom and red tomato mix any jollof mix and eno bi ne ba be die Mr. Charlie spices I prekase kra de ekume on de ma fai unum we kakra untumi avoid enuane nyina ntino unum sugar ni kakra na why then was some from sister nimu e with prekase no enu ntino the spices ahodo ginger and a three mix and no and why ya da Charlie for ase afai delay mackerel na pa dom penim and delay sardine peche like that I was have Borges olive oil. Borges dear, ahom nyina esuro no ade papa no de frinya me ho no and na Borges said eh so wo de sa ho obi bese Holy Ghost twa ho ahia no na obomode aso de obi besra o de sra ye ma pa enti me kan fo Borges said e ma abusia na aduane a ye ba be ye de chance free Royal Kitchenware official yes ye de omu chance and eba be ye aduane no Royal de ene odu makola kromo bi ani Royal omu chance papa no enu bi ne de ba ben abe ye aduane afa me ben won ma kan for my way insurance e dia ma say wo be fa phone na wa be kan eku a ye frɛ ho my way ye insurance my ho ne de dofo ba kwa ka ho afa ye sad ye savings Mr. dial *165# nefa ye de ebeka busua no ye twa na simple because o dial pe wo be hu den indi di so no wa ntimi anwie a ye dwumakuo ye office ye be frew enkomo enu be die be me won say ampa ye free my way office ye be frew ne enu ahihye ho ye da ase bebre Sarah and Jamila Homes eso ye furniture shop a efie bia enye furniture keke and that's just furniture me pa chopi nkonwa a lifetime nkonwa wo betnem ama wo ma wo nana kan so betem because papa original and Jamila Homes be pese wo be frɛ wo mu wa homa trofo yi so na wo hu location no but location no Westland Westland. Ufri Gempa Hona o TSM Hachoha. Jamila Homes the Shama Kuma Benya. Omu numbers 0302 437 228. Any a landline. I say dear WhatsApp 0205 555 525. Any woman din komo Jamila Homes. Abusua maboafo nie. Mr. Onematade. Yes. My ancestors na de mame. Enyi die studio fix wa ene de mame. Me makeup Madaroma beauty maven. Happy Valentine in advance. Me din na McBrown. Enne me ni makeup artist ekuo me ana ma form. Omunye ku individual people na me ama ko ma bom. As young people are omu ekransa no adwuma bi. Please Yenya botre, yen hwe aduane ombe no ne yentie wo mu. We'll be right back after the commercial break. Ghana for Madam High Sense in you. Ye ka high sense ya. Mo amunim se eye home appliances a. Efe, eye papa, entry power. Ne buo no so dafom. High sense a wo beto abrochi no. Sa quality na wo beto ne Ghana. Enu nti na yenya hoto so ya ma wo 5 years manufacture defect warranty. Say a refrigerator, chest freezer, air condition, television, sound system, water dispenser, microwave oven, blender, gas cooker, electric cooker, washing machine, smartphone, rice cooker, kettle, and iron. Ya ho sensi oto. Na so forma ye din. Enti aboa no de. Ye siesie no pa mo bia. Enti Bora High Sense showroom bia. Say ya kra, Tema, Kumase, Takrade. Takwa, Mankesim, Oboase, Sunyane, Techiman, Tamale, Hohoi, Kofoidia. Kone kwa Jodie.
351-251.
Wait, your tomato mix. Wouldn't swallow one on pass. Say loud, what tomato flavor no?
Tasty Tom tomato mix. Ofa kakra. Na ye bebre. Kakra yan kwani stew. Dodwa ope.
No color changing like traffic lights. Debia koko kama.
Tasty Tom dear. It will surely give you value for money. Me a chef, I know what I'm talking about. Because Tasty Tom tomato mix is thick and little is enough to get our desired quantity of stew and soup. Pepe.
Tasty Tom ama menya chepa. Presenya enino aye fefe. Taste no so dear. On point. Flavor new.
And it doesn't color your meat or chicken. Cry.
Tasty Tom tomato mix into. Me handwriting and sada. Senande denebia sanete. Into customers bar never.
I don't compromise on the quality of my food. Me top papano at once. Use Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. This advert is FDA approved.
First, no, yes, some two ever mouse. 1,000 Ghana city. Say, 1,500 Ghana city. Wow! Now where? 5,000 Ghana city. Say, 8,500 Ghana city. Wow! After you move to me and Yakob 15,500 Ghana cities cover. The idea will be only hospitalization. Just say, we are going to die Sabia. Eba bua mo tuaka. Afei, critical illness. Just say, yare kronko bi ha. Ya jatum se bo wa, eba bua ma wako. Bebra ye de keka ho nyina. Kakra bi pe, ene de ato de otua no so menu so. Waiting on my way yes no no. For phone, dial *165#. Never come home. Send my way. That's it, no way.
My Way, a product of My Life and MTN Momo.
Yema wakwaba Bajamila home. Enkonya ene eniama a wadi siesie fie a efe paa sieye. Yewo nkonya ene eniama a wadi siesie fie ma amampanyini. Ahemfo, asoafo, ene adwumayefo. Se wo pe enkonya ene edemu niama a ebema wo fie ayefe a. Ene Jamila home, ene aseye a wo benya nkonya a efe esanso wo ahoden ewo owiase afana nyina yesanso wo enkonwa bi ti service ahia ehote ewo ye na sie ye ha koyan website so www.jamilahome.com. For telephone so fraying was 0302 437 228. Na for WhatsApp so ni ending komo 0205 555 525. Shisha ya natura kwan ewo 13 Westland Boulevard, Enkran. Jamila Home. Wonkonya se ya edi kan wo Ghana ani wiase nyina.
Delay sardine, peche like that. This advert is FDA approved.
McBrown's kitchen, Adiani Peto.
McBrown's kitchen. Adiani pa ede. Abusua medase akwaba bio. Afei DJ bema enyom said me kan ye no. Young girls many Flori Robert makeup and namo. I know one of the bomb and what you say. Emma, when you have a TV so you my dear. Yet be another office, Baba. Actually, young and you what I say. To look beautiful, no, I've chosen Flori Robert makeup and I'm giving him. Now, Flori Robert, you're organizing a class at my young makeup artist. You also omu ya dear. You was on one tier into your born the rono. Omo buy, you know. Ya konkono kwa ya nim yi. I mean, let them come. They are the best tenor. You omu and I may send them no bishia. Name emu 7 and a wa DJ be my nyom. Nam ne men yanke to and I may esia. Na and ne ya dia bomu on the road. Yeah, let's go. What about Saka Seno? Na chawa dia. What Saka sia? Men chawa dio. Rich love. What's on a better? I was here for you. Eh, we know me, my home. And who would you know? Mamma, yeah, no better. McBrown's kitchen. No, sir. What do you need, sir? McBrown's kitchen. Obroni. Hey, you took a no. And what do you have? Oh, my boy, yeah. Wow. Oh, when you know, I'm sending penny for more time here because as I don't want to meet you. But wow, my wife. Yeah, that means who's our home for Kakra. That's the same. A very okay, Kakra. Mr. Magana for home. Now, for your man relaxing. Now, and Sana Dawson, yeah, Johnny, be a no big deep. I was here for McBrown's kitchen and net Kwasi, many makeup artists, young girls, omu decided some do moon sat near my juma, na swabang faso, and Asia, McBrown's kitchen. And then I first say, this is how I can support you. This is how I can promote you. Into a nedia, maybe but that's in my idea, and I'm ready. What I say? But first of all, Mr. Teffrey, aye. Your friend and my brand also.
Pasha, your friend Mrs. Sandra Afo.
Aha! Now you make a brand now abo.
Pasha, me a CEO, Faces by Sandy Makeup Artistry, Instagram, Facebook,
everywhere.
TikTok.
Into what kind we know how on Sama me. But the Santa is see our mouth.
Me Pasha, me di the Mame Konedru. My brand name Classy Blush. Yes.
Classy
Blush. Yes. Me wa Instagram, WhatsApp, and our Facebook. Yes.
Voila. Classy. I feel rich. Rich love.
Pacho, Miss your friend Rich Love, a champon. Mostly Obia friend Love. Me your friend Shades and Gloss. Or Instagram, TikTok, and then also on Facebook.
Pacho, your friend me Cloba, Mauto, Jessica. Cloba.
Mauto, Jessica. F1.
Madokwe.
Hey.
Pacho, my brand name here, Enamod Beauty. Pacho, our Instagram _ our Facebook, and our Twitter.
And
Enamored beauty.
Enamored.
Pachai.
Enamored. Me say that jini nyina wate.
Pachai.
Me dey so to amam.
Pachai, your friend me Dorishia, Akofa Smith. Me Pacha me our Madonna Beauty Studio on Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp.
Oh, Madonna. Oh, Madonna. Hey, me who me makeup and me because it shows they are not lazy and talent has no limit.
But your friend me Caleb Dodo.
Caleb.
Yeah.
Everyone you too, everyone.
No. I'm a gun.
A gun.
Yeah.
Hey, tell there. And the Kasagua or your bar. Caleb, what coming?
Fine. I'm the CEO of Kalk GH on Instagram.
Kalk
GH.
Kalk GH. We are the name Tamam Tama. Come on, be a spelling it, dear. Nay, but my name Tambia. No muscle. Kalk GH. Caleb. Now also free him for Chrome.
Pacha me a fancy new.
Is not to my car.
No.
Yes. I also was in Yabaze.
Pacha, our friend is Stephanie Addo, me a CEO of Beaucoup de Beauté. Beaucoup, ça va très bien. Et toi?
Et toi, pas.
J'espère que par la grâce de Dieu, tout va bien.
Je parle un peu de français, mais ce que je va très bien aujourd'hui.
Oh.
Ça va.
Wow.
Now they are not.
Oh, Monsieur, it was my elective. Actually, I studied French in senior high school, but I'm looking forward to polish it up. So I'll maybe attend the French school later. But I really love French.
Wow.
Yes.
Moi aussi, je parle. C'est que on va parler. On va parler ici aujourd'hui. Hey, me cause we baby Timino. Simon yeah, my difference. Obi aroni say on say na wo yare ntime ma wo nya aduane no. Kono relax. Ezibana bna ye be frew. Enwa. Beaucoup de boutique ana.
Beaucoup de beauté. Instagram and Facebook.
C'est ça non? Beaucoup de beauté. There's too much beauty.
A lot of beauty.
A lot of beauty.
Yes.
Beaucoup de beauté.
Yes.
C'est ça.
Yes.
On va se voir to the suit.
Oui.
Hey, maman, ça va, maman, we live it. My makeup artist will be able to I promise them I'll bring them on this show. And again, do a photo shoot with everybody. I've done the first one. The second one, we'll do it. Inshallah. What else? Now, Rich Love, when we did the competition, Rich Love was the first person, and I won't go for the second and the third. We are all winners here. But Rich Love, since you were the first at the Flori Robert trainee or beauty competition, there's a competition, but maybe we are in a short. Competition. Rich Love came first. So Richie, what are we cooking and
It's a special jollof with gizzard and then sausage.
Wow. And my mama special tasty Tom jollof mix. Yeah, in Chawamu, near Conington. Aha. Until Bubo ingredients they do baby na fe. Mema
Okay, of course. You hear a tasty tom, which is very important. And a tasty tom, I say
jollof mix,
fortified rice.
Yes. Royal aroma.
Yes.
That's
Anna, you want your gizzard. You want your onions.
Veggies.
You want your pepper.
And we may jam with Yaka. Aye. Sandy. Into your debut.
Pepper choy was sausage, papa, wahase.
Nice.
Anna, your way spices and so you should have selected. And also wahase. Anna, your way Charlie spices and so.
Oh,
papa.
Okay.
Fake beer, ni have
fake beer. And only the best that say. Mupa, me and son, Emmet Nassing, na me and son starting. Caleb and Pen was a baby. Or he never trusting no winning.
In Tiziano, I was set your day and I'm no etijaso.
These are Nico Jasso.
Yeah, plenty of spices.
Okay, into Bakumage now, the bet you chat near me blending in Jina. Not the person diggies at Nico Jasso. One year, I chance you. Do it. Good. Made me so jam. Good. I feel more fancy shots for me and MiPROMO. Wait, you're the science. What's yes, here? You know that already. Yes, any. McBrown's kitchen pa. Wow.
See, I didn't so gu saucepan nase. Na fe, ye bibia wa habia freshly washed.
Bibia
ya hokro bibia ho dadanti. Ye gizzard no na air ko saucepan no.
Okay. Ale party. Aye.
See no, ye be manage to kakra say that. Enso na yehyehyehye no na ya blend ye niema no eguso
intebusia ye kwa blend what ase aha mena minio mama musio aha intino de ye blended ye wa o ma jo microphone me ba o ntimu mi mo fa ngu ha good ye be blended niema no with the super jum that's it. Whilst I am young, dear, yes, you ha. Ya show move her. Aye. Ejina. That's it. Kaish.
Gizzard na doorso. Inti. Oh, see, I do my coca crack count na this. Emma a boson floor.
Emma a bon floor.
It's okay.
You issues will be BS away high size blender. Will be at me blend this one. Mommy and Kwa. Afe camera no. At the end for no. What do Charlie need gum? Okay, shegum. Yeah, Diana will fear. Made them a year, Diana will team so to say, you will fear now. Mia. Mrs. I am Passia didn't come off a month from Modiana and one. Monfania, so I'm fine, commodie. Animal, how long do I make up artist?
For 4 years now. I teach at a cosmetology school also. Yes, and have a beauty studio, which I run as a side business.
You teach?
Yes, please.
At where?
At Divas Beauty College.
Wow.
Yes, please. Beauty therapy.
Wow.
Yes,
when
please. Thank you.
When you would da so pa no ye rabaso.
Thank you.
Wow. And today in Kenya, how much you makeup?
From childhood, I've loved to see people look beautiful and bring out the beauty in them, not transform them into different people, but bring out the inner beauty in them and enhance their beauty.
And the makeup does that.
Exactly, perfectly.
And you love that.
I really do love
it. And Madonna beauty. Madonna, then I'm out makeup artist. You go school so be makeup and I say. It's just passion.
It's a mix of passion. It's passion first because I've always loved makeup since I was a kid. My mom will be buying makeup stuff and then I'll be stealing it just to apply on myself. I'm like, what is this? Why is it that anytime mommy applies it, she's looking so fabulous? So I've been trying it since I was a kid. What really pushed me to go and learn it was being at home after school and not having anything to do. Okay. So I'm like, why don't I just pursue one of my my passion and then see how it will go from there. And then I realized that I loved it. Oh. Yes, I really love making
and people... And I would say,
makeup competition with Flori Roberts in collaboration with the McBrown's Foundation. Yes. So I came and I'm here now. Yes.
Yeah. Caleb. Nankabama dear, we because makeup aday ne say me ya jia. I don't know your makeup.
Since childhood, I've loved like lady stuffs.
Okay.
Yeah, going out with my mom when she's going to braid. Yeah, following her everywhere she goes. So I had a passion for it.
For braiding and other stuff.
Yeah, for the braiding, it's natural. It's natural, sorry.
You braid?
Yeah, I braid.
You can braid?
Yeah, I can braid.
Braids and what? Makeup?
Yeah.
And hair, wig and all that?
Yeah, I do.
Into to me a wig?
Yeah, I can do.
Into me mount my frontal, I bet to me the atari time, I'm coming.
Yeah, I can do it.
Wow, Caleb, so you are all in one?
Yes.
When it comes to beauty?
Yeah, when it comes to... And I'm actually offering fashion at Accra Poly.
Who's your fashion?
Yeah.
Accra Poly?
Yeah.
Wow. Into Yambo will make up work in the subio.
Okay, I'm Kalkay GH. CALKAY_GH.
Okay. And the reason why I'm a person I want you to find them and work with them. Try them as I'm going to do with them. All right. Carl, Thank you. I'm back. Madam Giza. Yo, Madam Giza, so mommy.
Yo, McBrown, a classic blush in a casan so line. To see a no Giza na car crab be not to say, I've been. When you what would you know,
McBrown? Classic blush, McBrown. Banana wrap and wrap in the microphone. Okay, yes, who come. Now let me come back to Sandy. Now swabo makeup brand.
Okay, Faces by Sandy name.
Faces by Sandy.
Enti say dey koye ye chili pepper no. Say ye start na che
Mo.
Ye wie no na che say when you ready na jollof no be koja so na chili ne so koja.
Chili ne so e. And na rich love so mama me. Ba wo mo ho.
Shades and gloss.
Yes.
What's my family love?
Love. Okay, most of my day.
Yeah, chili sauce.
And the money never. Me make jam on life, mama.
Okay.
Blending, everybody knows.
Yes.
The here said Bacrobina Hisense blender.
Yeah.
What is and I say I'm come. I was sure for McBrown's kitchen. Ediane pa ede. Wow, baby, every day ya so shit. Annie, ebi matrasi, nebi my day. Nebi ma benua sa ya so shinti ya ba chick ya nam the gizzard na at the same time ya ba jollof no with tasty tom jollof mix I feel na ya pepper no. So guys, let's go. Okay. Budget sada romantino ya ba hwe ni said ya pe. You so show jollof ama. Good. Fama no good. Obi ajaso. Now, I'm supplying. And I'm Rabafanam. Jema Mekura. Good. Okay. Afe, Obroni. Usu you, Jenny. I was here for your dear and one as a chesswan. And I'm on the chimney gizzard. What I said. Amadona
Beauty Studio.
Yeah, I'm not saying the Jenny go. And then Carl a man of Filusa. Carl also to me a man may be and to me quite shed you bet me at me. Okay. None of you and Wapa. I was up for Flori Robert A makeup brand. The DA makeup a foundation, powder, what as a pencil, lip, any day. It's our skincare. I was here by Flori Robert near my quality, the best premium foundation. Never a can't make up with home and near my home. Intimono, most of mote. Oh, some of them mote and I'm mobile. Intimate say na best 10. Yes, share na rich love we need, you know. At least money exposure kakra. Right?
Yeah, me experience in Yama Bebre one. I learned a lot. Learning how to correct certain stuffs. We were being taught by renowned makeup artists.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have a written here.
And Nyama, I was saying, would the year like the right quantity of stuffs that's supposed to go on the person's face to achieve a flawless look. And aside that, you know, I've been exposed to other people too as well. Like I recently, I recently work on Moisha. Yeah.
I was here. What's a Madonna? Chini Jane, and you enough. And I'm on there.
Okay, so before meeting Flori Roberts and the McBrown Foundation, I had difficulty with clients actually like trusting me to do their makeup. Yes. Because some of them have had like different makeup artists and bad experiences and the rest. But once they see you're affiliated with Flori Roberts and so they just started trusting and then good experiences all over.
And I believe today will be exceptional too. What you say?
Yes.
My education can crowd tasty Tom Jollof mix now. Once a year, nipa song 7, but we emphasize many nipa 10. What you say? Into nipa 10 no, tasty Tom no, Jollof mix now very simple. What kind one kind mame, then the womb
Tomato.
What your picture no cry
onion, pepper, garlic, and ginger.
Yes. What you say? And you okay you can cross one chain. Auntie abusia mo here sachet near sizes ne baby. Kase 1.1 kg. And an indeed so 2.1 kg. Into no ye be nipa 10 jollof. Sabe de na ye soche na ye weti mentino. Mostly in ka over 2.5 pack of this sir. Ba ko we for mami 2.5 pack of this no. Ye jollof man nipa 10. I used to more 5 cups margarine cups. And you used to 5 cups no. You didn't mean saying gum na ye na ye such a dear titigumwa so easy to open. I will be able to me about you say now what easy to open. McBrown's kitchen tasty tom. Yeah dear no. Yeah my life I easy. So 10 minutes na fe ye dia ne no hyehyɛ so. Now, ye be dia the royal aroma na be ye busuan for. Royal aroma no so we 4.5 kg. Into no hwemu a ye 5 cups no. Ye de any say a half of this bag. Half of this bag. Into no. Half of this rice. Na ye dia ye go very such you. Yeah. Busiogum, yeah, from stock on a soha. And I'm also experienced when I unya here with Flori Robert and McBrown Foundation.
Okay, but makes me a cabro.
Who bet me a cabro for years?
I've experienced growth, I've experienced publicity, I've learned more on skin work, and also I've gotten lots of clients who trust me now. Oh. And it has really helped me build my brand and gotten me to like have plenty people trusting me to do their works and also be able to teach lots of people makeup. I'm very happy I actually came for this competition.
And you are here today.
It's a privilege to be here.
Oh, we bless God for today, right? Yes. In terms of your jollof mix, 10 good minutes. Na fe ye de classes. Ye nam ne me ko ne ko sen. Me ko me pa chamo me anto ne spices e. Ye fa ye nchine ene ma no Charlie 3 mix so kakra. What I say? Ye ma 3 mix na kakra. Okay.
We are using it with the sauce, so we don't want it to be too hard.
Too hard.
And yet yet too crunchy.
Matthias, oh ye. Ade ba ko me training. Jollof mix no the good jama try. Na lower jano. Na nya about medium heat na no anya dey. Enye nti no. Munchi mu 10 minutes no. Na yenkoye nim. Ya try 10 minutes yenkoye nim. I was for you do him. Ya na me dey nya abesa wo. Obani.
Share the stock.
Okay. Ana na the bibi o bia begum. Ade ba ko amaye mo fepa ni ba ya na ref ye jollof. O se ye nsuo ni hu. Nsuo ni hu a. Oji mo ni gum na. Ba de mo ni ko gum no da. Na wu nya ne na. Ebi bine na ebi aka. Na wi aho. Ngoro. Ya ba mo na wu. Mo nkeka ma no ye se bibia ye okay. Ne ma nsuo ni hu. Ye nyi ye nam ne ale. Group we. Ya ba bu omu. Ata nya ne nso be de.
Be Kamarov. Me shake sana.
Omu de nto bo ase na.
Pizza de no aye na. Koi ba ko bremo.
Pacho, ya pacho.
Oh, mama nyesa, oda.
Ya pacho.
Ah, oda di.
Pacho dia ne be ya mundi bi.
Kafa. As you can see, ya chi nam na wie. Oyo ne yemfa ko meko so. What you say? Gumo. Caleb, o ko ni say command ho. Na mo mumie no munya adwuma na what you say? And to take off this thing, your rice is ready. Yes, this way. Can pour half. Yes, when you adwuma can ho. Pour half.
Okay.
Half of the Now I'll help you, don't worry, I'll help you. Yes, na one half. Yes. I think it's half. I think so. Hey, go back to more. Hey, Sandra. When the eyebrow. Yeah. Say a prayer mono, you so more tasty tone. Into Bruce Caribbean serve you. And say, into Yanqua, let's go. How Madonna. We have a man, you say, but my Madonna, you back. No more near her say enough. Yes, you need a bibia. I feel no account.
Okay.
What I say? Ma'am, also can't know my hair. Say, bibia, you okay? So it's a color, Maconeda. Hey, you sure?
Yes. Oh, Calabayadi.
Your school,
Calabayadi, Uncle.
Your school, a human being. A human being. Already, man being.
Okay.
Miss Macau, dear.
Okay.
Aye. You never mention a baby. Oh, I think it's nice. Try it. Check. I think you're January below than you want. But my mentor trick be at the edge of no. No, sir, the rice nigumu for fry. Or we was the edge of your nebubu. Or we was not a question mono. And yes, sir. What the gumu fresh and no. I hear them siano. Now was telling. In 2 boats, I was selling sana and 1 hour go. A bassa won't need enough, won't you enough. You and me. The over here answer, Ube low, Janaka Kore. Into Obroni, it's fine. Money, I won't try me. Go around and try them. I won't try it. Come home.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Then I'm a come. Hey, the microphone is with you.
Of course.
Okay. Now, yellow Jano. Wow, Obroni, where are you?
Achai.
A do sabi another 4 night. Akataso. Yeah, Pepper and the radio. Mukasa mo de pepper baby, be more baby.
Gizzard and sausage no be mix it with pepper na yachi.
Okay.
Yes, now the onions are garnishing a kakra. Na ya kono.
Na ya kono.
Achai.
I will see a McBrown's kitchen. Where your mama come on any day? McBrown's kitchen. Baby, we are mistake here. I will say for McBrown's kitchen there. And many young makeup artists, they have their individual works. But they just love to do this. And the enough first and Crawford feel saying yeah, Juma. They say, yeah, Juma. Yeah, that I was say high sense. Yeah, that tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. I say any tasty Tom jollof mix. Said yeah, they share jollof me. Oh, brownie jollof. And the gizzard people. Yes. And the jollof people. Ooh, sir. And yeah, the Borges olive oil, I say. Yeah, jollof no subeko ya Borges yeah then. Eka hon. Sana Charlie spices. Yes. I feel you can also get the delay macro one.
It's
not too late.
Say the granny begum says yeah, never one. Eh, we shall forbear who delay what you love me. You won't bet train what's it. Maybe I near Ain't you don't maseno. Now you done my way insurance. Way from the way. Sanya my way. Can say no way. Anyone can become a my insurance cover. You never Welcome. Sunday is Baba. Yeah, my way for so I say, not your quiet Nima may come for Jamila Homes, a executive home furniture and a bed. Just say, Ura or more swear, yeah, Westlander. One casaba born some mammy, Uncunya, a bestiwo, na che. Just say your property. I want to know Jamila number and your WhatsApp, direct number and WhatsApp, and I'm there today. Royal Kitchenware official. When we change this account at the love, no, I kona. And the DJ Baba and you back home. Now, yes, Sunday I got down, who say, what was I, you know? Eviction back home. 1, 2, 3, go! Hey, what's on the best dollar? Let's go. Let's go, honey. Hey, Batman, brother. Let's go. Hey. So, sign up for that's right. Yeah, Baba. Yeah, Ghana for Madam High Sense in you. Ye ka high sense ya. Mo nim se eye home appliances a. Efe, eye papa, entry power. Ne buo no so da fom. High sense a wo beto abrochie no. Sa quality na wo beto ne Ghana. Enu nti na yenya ahoto so ya ma wo 5 years manufacture defect warranty. Say a refrigerator, chest freezer, air condition, television, sound system, water dispenser, microwave oven, blender, gas cooker, electric cooker, washing machine, smartphone, rice cooker, kettle, and iron. Ya ho sensi to na so foma ye din enti abo no de ye siesie no pa mo bia enti bora high sense showroom bia say ya kra tema kumase takrade takwa mankesim oboase sunyane techiman tamale hohoi kofoidia kone ko jiodie
2351251.
Wait, your tomato mix. What is so one on pass? Say loud, what's the tomato flavor no?
Tasty Tom tomato mix. Ofa kakra. Na ye bebre. Fa kakra yan kwani stew dodwa ope.
No color changing like traffic light. Debia koko come on.
Tasty Tom dear, it will surely give you value for money. Me a chef, I know what I'm talking about. Because Tasty Tom tomato mix is thick and little is enough to get our desired quantity of stew and soup. Pepe.
Tasty Tom, I'm a mania chipa. Presenia enino IFFF. Taste no so dear. On point. Flavor near.
And it doesn't color your meat or chicken. Cry.
Tasty Tom tomato mixing tea. Me handwriting and sada. Then I did it's customers bar never.
I don't compromise on the quality of my food. Me top papano at once. Use Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. This advert is FDA approved.
Borges extra virgin olive oil, best for salad dressing. A little of Borges classic olive oil will make delicious meals. Borges with garlic, excellent for your girls. Make your meals with Borges, always. Borges olive oil.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
First, no, yes, some to have a mouse. 1,000 Ghana cedi. Say, 1,500 Ghana cedi. Wow! Now where? 5,000 Ghana cedi. Say, 8,500 Ghana cedi. Wow! After you go to me and Yakob 15,500 Ghana cedis cover. The Diabaka will be on a hospitalization. Just we are Kodaya Sabia, Eba Buamotia come. After critical illness. Trese, yare kronko bi oha, ya jatum se bowa, ye ba boa ma wako. Be bra ye de keka hunyina. Kakra bi pe, ene de ato de utua no boso menuso. Wait na my way yes no kono. For phone, dial *165#. Never come home. Send my way. That's no way.
My Way, a product of My Life and MTN Momo.
See our kitchen. And what's in here doing maybe
Sweetheart, and then my higher home kitchen bill. And nothing you could charge any garlic, any a cake. I must a baby try and I'm pussy, ya bought a potato. And nay, Cherry 3 miss at the romantic. What can you mean saying now boom? I'm an iron back. And one is a would be a petite with 3 and near you. And nay, Cherry 3 missing tea. I'm a Maya, yes, smart with your journey.
Honey, Mamma Danny.
Charlie 3 mix and need ginger powder a bit too.
FD at 525. Shishayana Chua Kwine at 13 Westland Boulevard, Encrine. Jamila Home. Wunkonya Sia Edi Kind wa Ghana, any via singina.
McBrown's kitchen, again,
McBrown's Kitchen ebusiafo ediane pa ede. Edition time nie baby adidie ye ba bedidi. Said the wunu nie ba dan. Ye bedidi. Ana nti ediane duru so se ana ye anigi sem. Ya ba mu jollof no pejabra. What ya say? And na ye nyina ye from McBrown's Kitchen nyom no. Ye fa share ye madam ye CEO Flori Robert o my chance and McBrown ye share ya ye may every mu abai e dey ani bedo hey come on do yeah ye wanna basa kakra ye tikado oh my affair. Thank you, DJ. Yeah, madam, why who's that?
Adarba, Benim Flori Robert.
Yeah, you bought Flori Robert Foundation. Mrs. Pedersen, CEO of Flori Robert, Ghana. Ain't mommy akwaba?
Yeah.
On McBrown's Kitchen, me pesa udi mo may nim. Na a chedia me pesa me ma o may. Any Flori Robert ni nyina. Ujina ya name na ye de my me unsa mo support him backing vocalist for wow Mrs. Pedersen na McBrown me da say nipa nyina o ka say me na member boa na me your brand ambassador na ye nye Flori Robert Foundation eya papa aboa me Flori Robert ye contact beto any location ni amawo hu na so atumi atobi name me gina idea. My sponsors from High Sense, Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix, and Tasty Tom Jollof Mix, the Pachopi Borges Olive Oil, San Charlie Spices, Ebusuya Royal Kitchenware Official Ghana, My Way Insurance, and the Delay Mackerel. What you see, Pachopi, Awake, Ekahon, Emania de na enieme wa hai me so me de hand sanitizer Santex e de account me de maw ye sister panyini ye ma me pa cha enieme yi ye de damase se Flori Robert even though ya kwanya ma ye may to showcase themselves no ma ben no aduane aiden amaye inti drinks no hwa ye tan che ne dodo sei Puma no ya ye no bebre ne momensuo no de ya wodia ani nsuo no any Puma no mienu eye wodia some mu ye 7 ani 7 ye modia de aka eye mo maame ye sister de what you see good de aka so de decision no ewo mo ho ye da se mo be ye jollof papa bi e de ma ye o say ye ave mu mi enko che ye de ane abusia ye be bompa ye ye be ma bute abobute o say e monikase ono na ne ho fa no kakra enti no afedi ne ho aton kakra enti bute
Pacha my pai to fuja batampa and name embrace ye that was say ye that was say she dwumadi ya say woni ewie abra baby didi etu aduane hye won safa wade himoja no fa ete aduane hu mai na di wi ya kase ye di aduane we ya ye nhira we na ebon pai that was say e wo Jesus di muti amen
amen says be a gizzard ne so whoa wow someone said Tuesday Valentine into next Sunday where pre-Valentine food love affair love is sharing and sharing is caring nice be baba be 7 home na fe ye didi what I say good McBrown's Kitchen Ediane Pede mana de abom ye why we say for yeah na ya serve on Valentine odofu bi besrawa and also kosra odofu bi a plan say obeye jollof amano what you say good yeah we didn't patch yeah ave obviously did relax and eat everybody eat enjoy it hey nanama me madoso yeah try you mama come on mama Mama, come on, you want them? Ede, pa, Mrs. Peterson.
Mrs. Adriania, on 9 counts, and candy, would ye?
Is that one?
I'm from a
Let's buy this inside your body. But now, man, can we be Flori Roberts so briefly, man? Now, my Flori Roberts makeup, Ghana Frontier say you.
I don't must say. Flori Roberts Cosmetics, it's been in existence since 1965. 1965. Now, it's the first makeup brand that black women to say. The very
African
first.
skin.
Yes, African skin. A premium makeup product. Your premium makeup product to say powder, foundations, primer, need your and your sound skincare like toners, cleansers, moisturizers, need your your anti-aging products. So
Flori Roberts, you remember who
Oh, Flori Roberts, dear. Say I won't cry her. East Legon. Zeda Plaza. Zeda near ZEDER. Yeah, Boundary Road.
I am at East Legon Police Station.
Airport.
Ultra Star Biter. High Science of War Building.
Right hand side na. Opposite Vida Cafe.
Wow.
Na Ghana has so dear any soul like legitimate soul distributors for Flori Roberts Cosmetics wahanamo.
Wow.
Entini makeup artist mo pe product papa dia ye juma retailers mo pe bi ewo mo shops cosmetic shops mo pe products papa makeup product papa aton ube fresh 05508033321 and I say 05507748337 05507748337. Say so you perceive a try share mu ko other regions in anti wa we interested say obe pesa obe represent Flori Roberts Watercra Day baby Freying
on Instagram
Flori Roberts DH
Flori Roberts DH your papa
makeup a cover bibiama all the imperfections on your face nana with the way you see for over a year need to do madam
me grandma dey for chama me
who freckles who black spots and only the perfect brand the
bag man
natural look a lightweight so bopa won feel say bibi wo wadi
mama yankasa bebe your number da bonti ko for be friend do na me ba mo hono mo a mo nipa for yi me start if you Sandy so Sandy benefit buying na McBrown's foundation ne Flori Roberts your friend mo asemo be compete buy mo nya
okay nana ye buy no in fact ye be share ye ho misuasu me peke ne o ma be free me colleagues ya me ne o mo be share no cause obi a wo said oye ni makeup ana esa my that kind of exposure like obi on say nana ma you know in fact I don't kwa kekekra my branding is stable obi sa no in fact me dey aboa me bebre aboa me pa
na a lot of beauty the conference my cano beaucoup de beauté. Tell me one special thing. You're gathering, no? I am.
Okay, first of all, no, I would say is exposure because I remember saying me posting videos and all my friends were calling me for makeup. Hey, me wants to see a dear winning and McBrown's Juma. So it has really, attracted customers and clients to me. And I'm a buyer, so I've learned a lot from my other colleagues and then a lot about. So it has really helped. I mean, I'm so excited I was part of this journey.
But who dibi?
I'm also excited because the exposure is everything everyone needs, and then we have really experienced the exposure, and I love working with Flori Roberts products, especially the powder. Yeah, Juma, come. And yes, some kids, right? I'm my clients, they really love it, and they are like, especially the McBrown's.
The winner competition now, no. Virtual shirts and gloss. On the winning, you're in Yamu, why you be a winner there. That's when they can say it. My wife briefly, Yanko.
It was a nice experience. Many brain because every day, the more you learn, the more you grow. And I'm very happy that I decided to make rap competition more. I emerged the winner, and I thank you very much for giving us the opportunity.
God bless you all. Yes, I'm a from some. I famous some them terms and conditions, but I apply. Yanko say, "Hey, man, to 10%." Into most exposure when you idea number me.
I mean, sure.
Na me sure abroad dey nyina so. Oyin ma e beda wasese o ma nkra akwanya McBrown's Foundation ni mpem fo nya me sure na ye be pon Flori Robert ye de akwanya ama ye na mai ya mom exposure no enne mu nyina nya me adum tefi na ko manya adwuma mo what ya say amen nti ya ma me ye nna nipa ba ko mienu bi ase me empon
we de ye be fa wakwanya so na yada wase.
Oh, make me okay.
Because that program way, I mean, any one of the top cooking program
is
the best.
The whole Ghana.
Just the whole Ghana. When I was so. So one my akwenya na ye yetimi about program yi so a
ye gina YouTube.
Nye dwumadi kete. Ye nyina me gina me nyina nam eda wase. Any high sense ni all sponsors are omo eboa ma programming eye kama nyame nhira omo nyina yedamasi bebre we are very very grateful.
I didn't me boni ye die
eno ano no
this is person me ba cho munidi me ba cho puma drinks wo bi wo fridge mu nyina obi ade opa bia obetumi ayi what ya see e ma obi my way book even wetumi atrotro for customers nyama nya bi appointment to me including your madam. Hana edimu besi Valentine edition what you say ye pa cho so one rate TV so you YouTube me bwana YouTube McBrown's kitchen shema yen and makeup artist young makeup artist na exposure no ye de ma enti enyo so say McBrown's kitchen ejiane pa
McBrown's kitchen, again you better. McBrown's kitchen, bring us so. McBrown's kitchen, again you better. McBrown's kitchen, bring us so. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen, again you better. McBrown's kitchen.